as a person and what I represent. So I woke up one morning, I said, the best way to start it off is give them me.
Damn right.
And this is who I am, and I'm gonna start putting that on record.
Dropping bass, the beat from the melody.
You are now rocking with the best. Dan Morel.
Ooh, shit. Ain't that fly? Dan Morel is kicking it live. Oh, shit. Ain't that fly? Dan Morel is kicking it live.
What's up? This is the AI version of James Hetfield from Metallica, and I don't even know what the fuck a Dan Morel is, but I'm sure he's great.